Really wonderful to be here in this IMTMA summit. To me, it's a summit of a great value, great importance and great relevance for the Indian manufacturing industry. IMTMA has been well established as a genuine partner, genuine promoter and a great contributor for the success of manufacturing in India. This summit, which is focusing upon sharing the best practices, bringing good examples, encouraging others to go in the journey of excellence, and finally adding value for the nation building. Competitiveness of India in the global scenario, we have a very bright future. India is going to be a future manufacturing source for not only for the conventional technologies but also for the emerging and modern technologies. The Make in India program has been a great success. Now from space science to the small hardware item, India is not only a quality producer but also a great exporter, contributor and a prominent player. In this context of the global opportunity, such summits will even contribute to make India even more competitive and more reliable and a great partner.